story. You guys keep fucking this up. I have every right to fly this wherever I want without restricted airspace. There is no law stating you can't fly it over a police station, bro. Not one. Right here? How do you spell that? R-I-G-H-T or?
It's right here. The name is right here.
Yeah, can you say that, please?
2727.
You can't say it? Nah, fucking tyrant.
Why are you being so confrontational?
Oh, you come out here immediately, put your gloves on, and this is illegal, sir.
Okay, so you're giving me the face?
Yes.
All right.
Welcome back to Badge Auditor. In today's breakdown, we head north of the border to Canada to witness a disturbing display of intimidation and legal ignorance. This footage comes to us from a brave activist over at True North Transparency, who was legally operating a drone in public airspace near an Ottawa police station. What starts as a simple flight quickly escalates into a multi-officer confrontation where threats of arrest are thrown around like confetti. Pay close attention to the body language here, specifically the immediate donning of the gloves, a classic intimidation tactic we see all too often.
Brother, how's it going? How's it going? You know, it's illegal to fly a drone over a police station like
You
that.
sure about that?
Yep.
Get your sergeant out here. No, it isn't.
Okay.
It's not illegal.
You want to go in my car and just turn my radio down? Here. Oh, yeah, it's open.
I'd get a sergeant if I were you. You're fucking this up already. It's not
Am
illegal.
I?
Sure am.
Okay.
What makes you say it's illegal? Where's the law? What law states that it's illegal? I'd look it up before you do anything dumb, man. I'm already suing the Ottawa cops for doing something stupid.
Okay, so
I'm independent media. I'm working on a news story. You guys keep fucking this up. I have every right to fly this wherever I want without restricted airspace. There is no law stating you can't fly it over a police station, bro. Not one.
okay. We'll verify that.
Go right the fuck ahead. What's your name and badge number?
It's Constable Wilson, 2486.
And you?
It's right here.
Right here? How do you spell that? R-I-G-H-T or?
It's right here. The name is right
Yeah,
here. My
can you
badge
say that,
number is
please?
2727.
You can't say it? Nah, fucking tyrant.
Why are you being so confrontational?
Oh, you come out here immediately, put your gloves on, and this is illegal, sir.
Okay, so you're giving me the face?
Yes.
All right. So I always have my gloves on for safety.
Notice how the officer immediately claims it's illegal without citing a single statute. Here's the reality. In Canada, the police do not own the airspace above their station. NAV Canada regulates the skies, not local PD. Under Section 8 of the Charter, you have a right to be secure against unreasonable search or seizure, and that includes the police trying to seize your right to film from public air.
Remember yesterday you told me I put my gloves on when I respond to every call. You put them on yesterday specifically to come out and intimidate me because I was flying over the police station. Like specifically you did it yesterday.
so-
and you said you had cuts all over your hands. No, you don't.
Yeah,
Those are the
which I did.
softest looking hands I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, for safety?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Because you're planning to go hands on somebody
Not
that
at
before you even tried to look up the laws?
Is that right?
Fucking child. You fucking kids, man. All of yous.
All right, so I'm actually working, so I was actually coming from another call as well, so
Yeah, I just watch you put them on.
yeah, so they were right here, and I always put my gloves on for every call, right? Because I never know what's going to happen. It's for safety.
Yeah?
Why are you over a police station?
I already told you that. I'm not answering any more questions.
No, I'm just asking you.
I already told you that.
Can you remind me?
I'm not answering any more questions.
All right. What's your name?
What?
What's your name? I gave you my name.
Oh,
What's
I'm
your
not
name?
giving you my name.
Hey?
Unless you suspect I'm committing a crime and you can articulate that particular crime.
Well, I'm trying to figure that out.
Yeah. You guys don't have drone operators inside?
So we do.
I know you do.
We do for calls though, right? For
Yeah.
specific calls and events. We don't just fly it around for nothing.
I do.
Okay.
So what makes you say it's illegal?
So I don't know that yet. It's just you're over.
No, you came out and you actually said it's illegal to fly over a police station.
All right. So let me reiterate. I'm actually not sure.
Okay.
It's you're over a police station and
Sure
we
am.
deal with a lot of private matters.
Like what?
Well, I'm not going to get
Everything
into
in that yard is obtainable. I can get a list of everything in that yard through the Freedom of Information Act.
Not everything.
Yes, I can.
All right.
Everything.
So I'm not
You
gonna-
guys are not a private organization. You guys think you are. You think the police station is private, but it's not.
All right.
Yes.
Certain things that we do deal with is private.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Really, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Related to any case, you're not getting everything.
Oh, related to a case? Of course I'm not. But your guys' operations, I can FOIA request that. Till hell wouldn't have it, dude.
Yeah, certain operations, yes. But there's certain
As
things.
long as it's not in part of an ongoing investigation.
Well, so you think us walking out of our cars with certain evidence is not part of an investigation? You don't think that? So
Oh,
we're gonna,
yeah, really, eh? You think that's up to you to create the privacy on that, dude?
Okay, so-
You don't own the
I'll
airspace.
confirm that, okay?
You better.
Hello?
The officer asks for a name. The auditor's response is textbook. Unless you suspect I'm committing a crime and can articulate it, I'm not giving you my name. In Canada, you are not legally required to identify yourself unless you are being lawfully detained for a specific criminal offense. Know your rights, or you'll lose them.
I don't know why you're being like so. You're clearly trying to get a reaction out of me. or
Oh,
something.
trying to?
You're
No,
not.
absolutely not. You came out here and you said that's illegal, and that got me fired up right away. And
Yeah,
then you threw
you're-
your gloves on.
you're shaking.
All you cops throw your gloves on when you're about ready to grab somebody up. I'm shaking. I'm not shaking. My camera's shaking.
I have my gloves on for every single call.
Yeah?
It's also for your safety as well, right?
Oh, really, eh?
Yeah, because I got cuts and stuff. I don't want to
Yeah.
get that on you either, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So
Is it from punching people? Punching your wife? Your kids, maybe? Maybe? Yeah,
No.
why do you have cuts on your knuckles?
Actually, from weightlifting.
From weightlifting. You have knuckle cuts from weightlifting.
Did I say it was on my knuckles?
Well, you pointed at your knuckles when you said it.
All right. I see this way. You're.
No, I don't like you. I don't like cops. I don't like the Ottawa police especially. You guys are dirty cops. Almost all of you.
I don't know any dirty cops here.
Yes,
but-
you do. Yes, you do. Every last one of you.
It's okay unless you can get someone that can confirm that the law was going. And I'm like, what was your like intention today?
I'm not
Like-
explaining that. I already told you.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
It's written right here.
What?
My name's right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Another right here's that RITE. What's your badge number?
2884.
What do you have in your mouth? Is that gum in your mouth? You should throw that out. She's trying to say I can't fly over people.
What size is your drone, sir?
Can't give that to you.
Yeah, because if it's over a certain size, I need to see your pilot's license.
I know the rules.
Yeah, and that's the rule.
And do I have to assist you with your investigation?
You do because if
Oh, I'm
your
obligated to assist you with your investigation,
drone, if
eh?
your drone is over 250
Women
grams,
cops always think that I have to help them. You're wrong.
You do. Actually,
No, I don't.
Yeah. You have to have a pilot's license to fly a drone.
I understand the drone rules, but I don't have to help you with your investigation. When it comes back down, maybe you can see it before I put it away.
Okay, so then bring it down.
No.
So she just explained to you if it's over 250 grams, you need a pilot's license. Do you have one?
Now she tries the 250-gram trick. While it's true that drones over 250 grams have different rules under Transport Canada, the auditor is under no obligation to assist the police in their own investigation. This is a crucial lesson in Aware with Law. Never help the state build a case against you.
Is it over 250 grams? I'm not answering the question.
We have to verify it.
No, you don't. How do you?
Yes, we do.
Oh, yes, you do, eh?
We have to verify how big it is, so we can let you know whether it.
So you can just walk along down the street and say, I think you have something illegal in your pocket, and then search the guy? No, you can't do that.
No, I can't do that. You're right.
Take a look at it. Take a picture of it and send it to your drone guy.
Looks over 250 grams.
Does it really, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also,
Have you ever seen a drone? You don't know shit about drones. And you know nothing about drone laws. She had to look it up on her phone.
I didn't know about the laws, but I kind of, I've seen them before.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have drones.
Then you have no idea what a 250-gram drone looks like.
No, but I know what 250 grams is. Right? Maybe not for a drone, but in terms
Right.
of weight, I know what 250 grams
And I don't have to assist anybody with your investigation. If you want to take it, if you want to try and see it without taking it from me when it comes down, you can. But other than that,
So,
if you think I'm going to come here breaking the law, you're fucking nuts.
yeah.
I know more about drone laws than any one of you, all of you put together.
Yep.
And a fourth cop car for a guy with a camera and a drone.
Okay, so can you like not come up behind me?
Then go somewhere else. I'm in
Alright.
public right now.
Okay, so
I want to hear what you're saying.
yep. So I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not hiding anything. Like,
Yeah.
what, you think I'm hiding facts here?
I think you are. I think you're conspiring.
No, I was talking to my sergeant to actually articulate what I have because I was unsure, and you're right, and I want to tell you what I don't know. This is not something we deal with every day.
Nope, it's not. I would be willing to bet.
Yeah, so before I acted drastically, I wanted to confirm with you, is that all right?
What?
So you can't actually fly over the gated area.
Yes, I can.
No, because it's private property.
How high up?
The only access point.
How high up?
The only access point through that gate
Is the sky right
is by
here?
a swipe card.
Yeah, that's not true.
So if you're flying over the gate, that's trespassing.
Oh, yeah, really, eh?
Yes, it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So how high up do you own?
So you can be in the grass area here. I don't know.
So I can't fly over it. Right, that's bullshit, dude. You should
can't-
look up the laws.
No, so you can't.
Where does it say that?
It's-
What
it's-
is the law? Tell
it's-
me the law.
I'm telling you right now, it's
No,
it's private
there's a
property.
number to the law. What is it?
So there's people coming in and out of the gated area, okay? That's why it's gated. It's a private property. The police station itself is public. So if you want to film the front entrance of the police station, that's different. The back entrance, it's a gated entrance. You can't be flying over.
You
that.
guys don't own airspace. That is the law. Get your drone guy out
It's
here.
private property. We have expectation of privacy. You can't be flying
don't.
over that. Yes, we do.
You have to create it, and even from the sky.
So it's created by a gate. All right.
From the sky.
So how high do you think you're flying there?
What?
How high do you think you're flying right now?
How high do you think?
I'm asking you. You're the expert.
Yeah?
So I'm just telling you right now. Just don't fly over the parking lot, and you're flying.
I can fly over the parking lot all I want.
Don't do that.
Get your drone guy. Get your sergeant. You guys are all wrong.
Okay,
I
so
know
get my sergeant.
drone laws better than you.
Okay, I'll call my sergeant.
I know drone
and
laws
he's gonna
way better than
explain it
you.
to and then there you go.
'Cause there is no chance that you guys own the airspace above your place. I can fly over anything. The only thing I can't fly over is a paid event, like a concert
You're also not
or
allowed
something
to
like
fly
that.
over people. And
Yes,
people
you
are
can.
also in and out.
Over 250, you're not. Right? And when you look up the drone laws under
So are you
NAV
confirming
Canada,
the drone is not over
What-
250 grams, or it is?
I'm well within my rights and the law. You can take that however you like. I'm not telling you how heavy it is.
I can't just take your word for it. Just
Yeah.
because you're telling me that.
But if it's over 250, you can't fly over people. You can't fly over events.
You also need to have a pilot's license over 250.
I know.
So are you confirming to me that it's not over 250?
I'm not confirming anything. I'm telling you I'm acting within the law.
So no,
I'm 100% lawful. I'm not telling you confirm or deny or nothing. I'm telling you I'm acting within the law and my rights. And if you guys arrest me...
I can confirm that.
No. No, I'm not helping you with your investigation. I don't have to. We are not obligated to help the police with their investigations. You guys have a lot more to learn about drone laws, so I will get your drone pilot out here. Because the drone pilots know.
So Sergeant's not going to attend for this. We're too busy. Just let you know, please just keep your drone away from our parking lot. So you're going to be arrested.
I'm going to be arrested.
Yeah, so if
so Wilson's telling me I'm going to be arrested if I go over the parking lot.
Yeah, you will.
Officer Wilson threatens arrest if the drone flies over the parking lot, claiming expectation of privacy. This is a blatant lie. A police parking lot visible from the air has zero expectation of privacy. This is color of law intimidation at its finest, threatening a citizen with a cage for exercising a charter-protected right.
Yeah?
100%.
By under whose authority?
So I spoke to a sergeant of mine.
I would call NAV Canada if I were you.
All right, so we can after, but you'll be arrested.
Yeah.
You're flying over private property. We have an expectation of privacy. And
no, you don't. Not from the air.
Well, yes, sir.
No.
You're filming us from a camera, right?
You're wrong.
A little different.
I'm filming you from here for the camera.
So it's a little different, right?
No, it isn't. This has better zoom than my drone.
So I'm not going to argue with you all day. I'm going to let you be. Just if you fly over a parking lot, I'll come back and I'll arrest you.
And you'll arrest me,
yes,
eh?
Sir.
Well, you're lucky I only have one battery left, and that's enough to sue you, to sue the Ottawa Police Department.
Go ahead.
I'm going to arrest you.
Okay.
You guys are dumbasses, and chicks shouldn't be cops.
Okay.
You guys would both have to team up on me, and there's nothing you could possibly do to put me on the ground.
Okay.
This guy would have to do it.
I'd have to do what?
Put me on the ground if you tried to arrest me. These two couldn't do it. I wouldn't resist, but if it came down to a fist fight, women shouldn't be cops. Never.
Yeah, why are you hiding your face now?
Why are you trying to take my picture?
Well, you took a video of mine the whole time with my name and my badge.
You're a public servant.
You won't even give me your name.
You're a public servant.
If you're doing nothing wrong, why won't you, There you go. Why are you putting that over your face?
Because you're a fucking tyrant.
I'm not a tyrant at all.
Yes, you are. You don't understand drone laws.
Listen, that's why I called the sergeant, right?
And the sergeant doesn't understand drone laws. Your sergeant's a moron. Guaranteed.
Okay. Have a nice day, sir.
Go fuck yourself. You too. You too.
This interaction shows why accountability is vital. These officers attempted to enforce non-existent laws through intimidation. Knowing your rights is the only way to stop overreach. If you want to see more of these Canadian breakdowns and help us hold the line for constitutional rights globally, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment with global accountability, and stay safe out there.